How to create domestic sales invoice in Businet. Users can create domestic sales invoice by selecting the customer name, salesperson, and the shipment number. The item details will be auto-populated, where the user can select the option for tax exemption and can also add manual GST and other charges. Further, the GL accounts will be auto-allocated as per the masters, but the user can edit as per requirement. Users can define the payment schedule and can also add multiple attachments to this invoice. Once the document is approved, the voucher will be auto-posted in the financial accounting module, and the user can also generate the PDF print of the invoice. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.